This is how to replace the key fob battery on a Ford C-Max, a 2013 to 2019 Ford C-Max. It's pretty basic, but it's a little confusing. No, you don't push those tabs in. What you have to do, you have two little tiny tabs. Just sort of push both of them. Watch this. See how that just comes up a little bit? And then you just, so the cover comes off. Then we have to take our flathead screwdriver. And you watch this. You just put it right into the end. Give it a little twist, just gently. See how that separates? Then we can just put our fingers in and just separate it. Now to get the button battery out, just take your little flathead. You'll see a little bit of space there. And there it is. There we have a CR 2032 Duracell. And on this one you'll see the little plus in there. So it's the plus side is down, which is a little bit different than a lot of them. So plus side down. Now you got to make sure you get this. It's very simple, but if you don't get this flush in there, you're not going to be able to put the cover back on. So it's just a little friction held in there just a little bit. So then we just got to get it flush. Yeah, you could wipe off the fingerprints if you wanted. I've never found a problem with it, but so then once you get that flush, the cover is pretty simple. Just goes back together like that. And we put the cover back on it. Again, not as simple as other ones. This is how to change the key fob battery on a Ford C-Max 2013 to 2019. And there is no emergency key in here. So strictly, this is the fob with no emergency key inside. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and have a good day.